4 years ago, a neighbor of mine approached me and she started to talk about this company named ForeverGreen. And as she spoke about it, what struck me was that the philosophies that she talked about, that they had about nutrition, were the same philosophies that I had. They believed that it was important to get the finest, cleanest, organic whole foods possible to incorporate into their products. They believed that nutrition could maintain human health. They also believed that the judicious use of nutrition could restore health in some cases. These are all things that were critical parts of my philosophy about nutrition and how it worked with human health. Now, it's one thing to say you have the finest ingredients in your products, but ForeverGreen took it one step further. What they do actually is they use a cutting-edge, state-of-the-art manufacturing facility to process all of their products. And part of that process is to take each and every ingredient that comes into that facility and it's tested. It's tested to ensure that it is what it says it is, that it is free of contamination or infective agents, and that it has the proper potency that's ascribed to it. These are all critical elements in maintaining the high quality of ingredients that ForeverGreen is dedicated to. The overall process that each product goes through is very interesting. It starts with the ingredient arriving at the dock and being tested for any kind of contamination. It's then set in quarantine and made sure that it's safe for human consumption. From there, each ingredient is carefully measured and mixed into the final product. That final product, is then taken and again tested. But this time it's not just tested for contamination. It's tested for potency. It's also tested to ensure that everything in that final product has exactly what was intended by the designer. From there, it's labeled and it's sent on to ForeverGreen to be distributed. But as that's done, a core sample of each product is taken and it's stored for a minimum of a year, so that if there's ever a problem in the field with the quality or any issue whatsoever with a product, we can always come back and look at the original product that was distributed from the manufacturer itself. Different certifications are important when it comes to evaluating a processing facility. And the processing facility that ForeverGreen uses has all of the important ones. It has GMP certification, which is an FDA process. It's called Good Manufacturing Practices. It also has halal. It has kosher. It also has organic foods certification. So the manufacturing facility that ForeverGreen uses has all of these certifications. So now it's 5 years that I've been with ForeverGreen, and something that's really nice is that in all that time, we've never diverged in terms of philosophy. We continue to share the same philosophies. We know it's important that ingredients be of the finest quality. We know it's important that we check quality through every step of the process of manufacture. We know it's important to have security around our products to ensure that they are what we say they are. Each of these steps is critical, and they have always been an important part of mine and ForeverGreen's philosophy.